What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. Today we're doing a review on the JBL Tune 220 True Wireless Earbuds. Current price on these is $99 on Amazon. So these are another pair of earbuds that feature the semi-in-ear design, meaning that there are no silicone ear tips. Now that I've had some time to really use and test these out, there's definitely some room for improvement in my opinion, especially for them to be priced at $99. So if you're new to my videos, I'll go over the packaging and the contents, I'll go over the important specs, and I'll give my opinion on the sound quality. I'll also do a microphone test later in the video to give you an idea of how you would sound if you were to use these earbuds to take phone calls. So this is the box that the earbuds come in. They have a few different color options to choose from, but as you can see, I went with the green just to switch it up and do something a little bit different. On the back, there's a nice cutout which allows you to see the charging case. Inside the box, you're going to get the earbuds along with the charging case, along with your quick start guide and usual paperwork, and a micro USB charging cable. Here we have the charging case. As you can see, you've got some JBL branding engraved on the very front. And one thing I do like about the charging case is that the back side is flat, which is going to be helpful as far as sliding the case in and out of your pocket. On the bottom side of the case, you've got your micro USB charging port. And then if we flip the case around and open it up, you can see you've got 3 LED lights down the middle there, letting you know the status of the case. You also have magnets which help keep the earbuds in place. Taking a closer look at one of the earbuds, as you can see towards the bottom of the stem, you've got some JBL branding, and then towards the top you have your multi-function button. The microphone is actually located on the top side of the earbud, which is different from what we normally see. If we flip it around, you can see you've got your left and right indicator, and then on the bottom is where you can see your charging magnets. So these are running Bluetooth 5.0. When it came to streaming YouTube videos, Netflix, I didn't experience any audio lag or latency, so these could be used for watching movies or videos if that's what you're looking for. The earbuds feature 12.5mm drivers, but there's no support for aptX or AAC audio codecs. As far as battery life, they claim you'll get 3 hours from the earbuds on a single charge and an additional 16 hours from the charging case. For these to be priced at $99, I think they should definitely come with a little bit better battery life. On top of that, during my testing, the earbuds didn't even last anywhere close to the 3 hours that they claim. It was actually closer to like an hour. And I read some of the reviews on Amazon, and it seemed like this was a pretty common thing that other people experienced as well. So I'm not really sure what that's about. Unfortunately, you're only able to use the right earbud independently, so if you like to swap back and forth between earbuds while the other charges, these aren't going to allow you to do that. Another disappointment is that these have no official IP rating, so it's pretty much a mystery as to what these can withstand in terms of sweat and water. So if you're looking for some earbuds to exercise or, wear to the gym, it's not really clear what you can subject these to. So the fit on these for me isn't really the greatest. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but no matter how much I tried to adjust them around, I was never able to get them to a point where they felt completely secure. The finish on the earbuds is somewhat slick as well, so any intense movement is definitely going to cause these to eventually work themselves loose. So these would not be my choice for, going on a run or any intense movement at all. The buttons on the earbud allow you to control everything but the volume. So in order to change the volume, you'll have to take out your phone. The buttons are also somewhat small, so you have to apply a good amount of pressure in order to use them. So as far as sound quality, these are pretty middle of the road in my opinion. The mids and highs are okay, but it's not really anything that's going to impress you. The bass is not really anything special either, which is usually somewhat of a given when you don't have any silicone ear tips, but the fact that they're advertising these to have such great bass is just setting you up for disappointment. On top of that, I feel like they could use an extra notch of volume as well. Now let's go ahead and do a quick microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. Alright, so this is a quick microphone test of the JBL Tune 220 True Wireless Earbuds. So this is pretty much how it would sound if you were to use these earbuds to take phone calls in a quiet environment. Now let's go ahead and turn on some background noise to see the difference. Okay, so I've got some traffic sounds playing right now. Hopefully you guys can hear that. So this is how it would sound if you have a little bit of background noise taking place while you take phone calls. As always, you guys be the judge. Let me know how they sound in the comment section below. So overall at $99, I definitely think these are a bit overpriced. Based on the specs and the performance, I would expect these to be closer to $40 or $50. I recently did a review on the Soundpeats TrueBuds, which have a similar style and design, and in my opinion, those outperform these at half the price. So if you're looking for a set of earbuds with the semi-in-ear design, those would be my current recommendation. I have a video review on those earbuds, so if you'd like to check it out, I'll put the pop-up at the top of the screen. So that's going to be it for this video. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I have coming up. As always, I'll see you guys next time.